Okay, Prim friends, we are back here back to our cabin, Bonnie Gallaway's beautiful home. And that porch is just gorgeous. The house looks so different depending on which angle you're looking at. The front is sort of that homestead cabin style, and that large 2-story cabin on the back is pretty much almost like a salt box style. And the gardens are just so beautiful. You know, just like at Bill Romey's, where he has the sections of the split rail fence that don't really keep anything in particular out or in. We sort of have that right here with the little sections of the fencing around some of the perennials right here. There's a beautiful Bethesda there and a woven bee skeep and a little early cultivator and some liatris that a bumblebee is going to town on right now. Those are all perennials here. The echinacea, or the purple coneflower, there in the corner, and some lavender. So we'll go on, head up this way. Again, love these sections of the fencing that just guide you in the direction you're to go. It's lovely daylilies. And then this sweet little garden cabin here. Oh, wait till you see the one that's behind me. So sweet. With the little zinnias. And the sweet little porch on the front of it. Beautiful little garden cabin. And then check this one out. So Bonnie said this one, she and her husband, or her husband and her daughter, built this when their daughter was a young child. And it was built when their daughter became a big sister. Is that just so cute? And you can actually stand up. It is tall enough there inside to be able to stand up in. Very, very charming. Like the wash day sign. The little light. Love the mushroom. The stone mushroom here. And the little picket fence that just guides you around. They have what looks like a walkout for the basement. And then we'll go around this way towards the pool. And here's their area. You'll hear the air conditioner. Modern conveniences need that these days. And here's the area for their fire pit. Right outside on the back side of the cabin. I love that basket on a pole there. That's for lighting, like a torch. Just very prim, early style. And these big barrels. And here in the corner, love the tobacco stick fencing. And this sweet little potting shed cabin. And the herb garden. And now the little swing there for their granddaughter. Is that just so sweet? And then that incredible oasis of that beautiful pool. And more perennials and accessories there on the side. Another woven bee skeep and herbs, some black-eyed Susans and gourds hanging there. Love that star-spangled summer and this wonderful cabin up on the post. What a wonderful place to be hanging out in the heat of the summertime. Just stunning. So quiet back here. I mean, you can hear road somewhat, but you hear the birds more. Lovely. All right. So again, if you haven't already, I urge you to like and subscribe. I hope you'll comment below. Let me know what your favorite things were that you saw here today. Make sure that you check out her live on Facebook that will happen this week on Wednesday. And her open house will be here on the property on September 15th and 16th, and you haven't even seen what will be here for that open house. Oh my goodness, love that Uncle Sam there also. And if you notice, she has one of those Williamsburg clay birdhouses on the side of her cabin. That was before they started getting made in China. So take care, everybody. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're coming to this fabulous sale that she's going to be having on September 15th and 16th. Take care. Keep hunting. These prims are out there and they are just waiting for you to create this kind of a beautiful, beautiful oasis, either in a single room or in your whole home. Take care, everybody. We will see you in the next one.